How to fix iPhone's Wi-Fi not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your iPhone's Wi-Fi not working or simply not showing. So let's get started. First step is you'll need to head over to your settings. On your settings, just go to your Wi-Fi first. Make sure that you've turned on or enabled your Wi-Fi. After you've done that, you can then head back. Then if this does not work, you'll need to scroll down till you find the general setting. Tap on General, then scroll down all the way. There you'll find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on that, and then tap on Reset again. Then you'll see an option that says Reset Network Settings. So reset your network settings, and after you've done that, your problem should get fixed. If that does not fix your problem, come back to your general setting and check for your software update. Since this can be due to few bugs or any other technical issues related to your software, so make sure that you have any available software update. Just update your software, which comes with bug fixes and patches, so your problem can get fixed. Again, if that does not fix your problem, come back to your general setting, go back to transfer or reset iPhone, and in this time you'll need to reset all of your settings. And after you do that, your problem should get fixed. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.